application of technology in education. Students in both kindergarten through 12th and higher education will spend all of their professional and personal lives immersed in digital society. Educators today in classrooms must be able to use and integrate both current and emerging technologies. One of the keys in the 21st century teaching is to balance traditional methods with effective use of technology to foster learning. So what is screencasting? Screencasting is the process of recording and sharing the computer screen, usually accompanied with audio and video. Screencasting and recording software opens the door for teachers to reach out to students through engaging videos while maintaining control over the content their students are consuming. It can provide learners a student-centered and engaging learning experience in both distance and traditional learning settings. For this presentation, I researched 3 software products for screencasting. The first was OBS Studio, the second, which I'm using now, is Screencast-O-Matic, and the third is TechSmith's Camtasia. Open Broadcaster software is a free and open source solution for offline video recording and live streaming that can be used with Mac and Windows. With an open canvas approach to video creation, this tool can mix a variety of audio and video resources to a single output for creative video and broadcast applications. It gives the ability to record straight to a hard drive using record-only mode or in conjunction with a simultaneous live stream. It allows live broadcasts to several popular streaming services to include Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Mixer. OBS comes with several benefits for students and teachers. One benefit for students is the feeling of being more involved in class. It sparks creativity and broadens understanding of broadcast technologies while giving students real-world experience with the tool used by professionals in the industry. For teachers, it's a powerful free tool for screen capture and increased engagement in online and hybrid courses, can implement new technology, and is a flexible multi-layer content creation without post-production lost time. Screencast-O-Matic is the second screen recording resource I'm using, and I'm using that right now with this presentation. The screen captures tools you easily create, edit, and communicate with videos and images. It's simple and intuitive. It can be used with Windows, Macs, iOS, Android, or the Chromebook. Take screenshots. It quickly captures part of your screen, a window, or the full screen. And then you can mark it up with arrows, text, highlights, and more. It also allows you to upload with a shareable link. You can record your screen to create screencast videos with our screen recorder. It's fast, free, and easy to use. You can also edit videos. They have a video editor that has all the personalizations you need for your video. You can add overlays to include video, text, shapes, images, all for free. The benefit of using Screencast-O-Matic for educational work and personal purposes. It's an easy video communication for educators and students. The videos are used in the classroom for flipped or blended learning, has video messaging, student assignments, and gives feedback. For work, teams can use this video creation solution for faster and clearer communication. They can use the videos for coaching, marketing, and demos for training. In personal use, you can use it to share personal stories for hobbies, memories, gameplay. It gives the tools needed to make videos, enhance with effects, and share with family, friends, and fans. The last resource I looked up was TechSmith's Camtasia. It's simple to record and to create a professional look, again with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chromebook, just like the Screencasting. You have audio/music. You can choose from their library of free music for sound effects that you can insert into your recording. Also has the capability of doing PowerPoint integration. This is awesome because it turns your presentation into a video, and you can record with PowerPoint add-in or import slides directly into the Camtasia. It uses new video templates to create a video needed, or you can stay right within their brand to keep the theme consistent for a corporate look. The benefits of TechSmith's Camtasia are its fast start. You don't have to do much to learn it. You don't need a big budget or fancy video editing skills. You can start with a template, or you can simply record the screen and add new effects. It makes everyone feel confident, whether the teacher has video experience or it's their first time. It gives everything needed to make a high quality video. It also engages the viewers to create content where viewers actually want to watch the video. A video will give you more interaction and help the audience learn more despite using text alone.